Hello, this is Lego Man, and I'm here with another Pokemon pack opening. Sun and Moon is here. Pokemon Sun and Moon. This is the seventh. No, is it the 6th or 7th generation? I think it's the 7th. So we've got 5 boost packs here with 10 cards each. The artwork on them is really nice. Here's Solagio, one of the new legendaries on the artwork. And there's Lunala, that's the other legendary. On the wrapping is the back. Online code. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Okay, we've got Litten, Stufful, Eve, classic, Dewpider, it's a little bit strange. Oh, I just noticed it looks different on the bottom now, where it says the weakness, resistance, and retreat cost. And the writing down there. The description of the Pokemon's down in the corner now, like that. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. Sorry. Poliwag, Reverse Holo Dratini. Oh, maybe I didn't do the switch around right because I have the Reverse Holo here. That's nice. Dragon type Reverse Holo. Supporter Team Skullgrunt, Pessimian, it's a pretty good card, Great Ball, Primaria, and Electric Energy. Yeah, so this was the rare of the pack that was supposed to be pulled last. I don't know why it wasn't. Primarina evolves from Brownie. It's pretty good. Be nice if it was holo or reverse holo. It's still pretty good. Get one of those. Second pack, we've got Lunala on the cover. Lunala on the wrapping. Online code. And just see what the back looks like, just the same. Okay, just a minute here. Well, I'm just gonna keep doing I'll just do 3 from the back. Maybe that doesn't work anymore. Sandile. This is a different looking dark type. This is darkness type, but it looks kind of green. It's like greenish blue. The darkness there. So that's different. Pikipek, Carvanha, darkness type. Togedemaru, I don't know how to pronounce that. Chinchou, Mariani. I'm probably pronouncing a lot of these wrong, but I've never seen them before. A lot of these Pokemon, because they're brand new. I also just noticed that the Reverse Holo is new. It must have been like this on the Dragon type one too. There's one big type logo there, the Psychic Eye, and then there's a bunch of small ones over to the side. So that's a cool new design. Pokemon doesn't look very cool though, to be honest. Hypno, on the beach. Pokeball, Pelipper, Primarina again, and Steel Energy. So it's nice to get 2 of these already, I guess. I mean, not really, because I just got one. Sure hope all the rares aren't that card. And the next 3 packs have the artworks of the 3 new trainer Pokemon, the 3 new starter Pokemon, sorry, in their fully evolved forms. There's let's open the Primarina one first. So, Primarina, I've already got 2 of. Seal Pokemon in the water. The Coral Reefs. Lunala on the wrapping. Online code. Keep using those. From the back. Dratini, Spearow, Psyduck, Eve, Pikipek, Hirayama, evolves from Makuhita. Oh, I have a Makuhita. This is reverse holo. Got the big fist there. Energy Switch. Golbat. Trumbeak. A Beware. And a Water Energy. Interesting. Two more packs. Hope we get a lucky pull. Okay, here we've got the Owl Pokemon. Don't know what it's called. Sorry. Is that one? Oh, this one. Yeah, I forget what it's called. It's called Incineroar, I think. On the wrapping. Online code. Oh, I think we have a good card. Okay, we know the ones at the back are all energy now, so we'll just put that in front. But I felt something, I felt a texture to card. Yep. Okay. Skarmory and Steel type. Cutiefly. Drowsy, Rowlet, a Lowengrimer, so that's, I was wondering when I was going to get one of those, one of the new Alolan forms, because there's an Alolan form for every one of the original 151 Pokemon, so of course Grimer's one of those, so we get him in some new colors. Boldore in reverse holo. Trumbeak. Energy Switch. Torracat. Electric Energy, and a Trainer Full Art Holo. Trainer Rotom Dex. That is shiny. Full Art Holo gold. It has a gold border, so that means that this one is definitely ultra rare or above that. That's pretty neat. Put those to the side. There's one more pack. Trouble with this one. Online code. Three from the back. And I'll just put energy behind that one. Okay, you've got Roggenrola, Growlithe, Alolan Meowth, that's pretty neat, Dewpider, Alolan Diglett, you can see there's volcanoes in the background, it's pretty neat, of course because Alola is based on Hawaii, there's tons of volcanoes there. Alolan Rattata, Passimian, Lima Supporter, Spinda, Steel Energy, and another Bewear. Well, all in all, that was an okay card opening. Definitely best card we got was this Rotom Dex, full art, holo, gold border. It's pretty awesome. And well, the other rare cards we got were just 2 Primarinas and 2 Bewears, so that isn't actually that good, I don't think. I was actually hoping for something better than that, but oh well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.